listening to Lamrag Radio 89.5 DYAWFM, a commercial radio station owned and operated by Aliw Broadcasting Corporations, authorized by the National Telecommunication Commissions, with a station permit number BST-004-2019, issued on January 10, 2019. Radio stations DYAWFM operates with a power of 10,000 watts. Our studio is located at second floor, Giseta Center, San Francisco Street, Barangay 109-A, BNG Subdivision. Our transmitter is located at Tisa Street, Phase 4 Extensions, BNG Subdivision, Tacloban City. Lamrag Radio 89.5 DYAWFM is operated and maintained by the following personnel duly licensed by the National Telecommunication Commissions, Electronics and Communications Engineer Eugene C. Castro with PRC license number PECE 80A. First Class Radio Telephone Operators Henry V. Gromay with license number 93-1PA-3011. Wilson A. Catalan with license number 16-1PA-27026. Lamrag Radio 89.5 DYAWFM now welcomes you to another day of broadcasting.